Okay, y'all, we here with Tommy Yeomans, beautiful GTO, and he about to tell us a little bit about the car.
It's a 1970 model Pontiac GTO, Pontiac powered, twin turbo. It's got a Mark Mickey transmission in it and a Mark Williams 11-inch full floater rear end in it. The car is steel quarters, steel roof, steel rockers, steel A-arms, stock wheelbase length, stock style suspension, front and rear. You know, we just trying to get the car dialed in and get it working. It's getting there.
All right, Tommy. So I got a question for you. Like, what's your plans for the car? Like, where you plan on running it and all that?
We built the car to run in multiple different categories, and we built the car where we could put big tires on it all the way down to 275s, and today we're on 275s, and we built it to where we can run in like the 28 extreme classes and stuff like that, 29 extreme classes, and Ducks Pro 275, and maybe some no time events. You know, just we love to race, and just love the competition, and love to try to go fast.
All right, we appreciate you, Tommy. We're looking forward to seeing you out there, so we're gonna be checking back in all throughout the day.
Thank you.
Okay, so y'all, we back with Tommy after the first run. And Tommy, how did everything go? I mean, everything checked out good? And
yeah, everything checked out good. You know, we wanted to try to make an A to B pass in the heat, you know, and just go down, you know, and you know, the fuel tank system works awesome, and Michael Bunton he's just been an awesome guy to work with, and you know, he wired the car for me, and he's helping with power management and everything on the car, and and we've become friends, and he's just an awesome guy, and just enjoy going to the races with him.
And look, I vouch for him too, y'all. Michael is a bad man. He's a bad man. So, hey, Mike, go ahead and drop your information and everything below.
I'm Michael Bunn, MJB Performance. I install fuel tech and just about any ECU. I wire cars. I got in touch with Mr. Tommy when he was building the car. We went with a complete fuel tech system. I wired it, did everything. We tuned it in fuel tech, and I'm helping them do power management. We just put the car on 275 to try to, we're going to try to qualify at Pro 275, the next Doug race. So basically we're trying to make ADB passes to get it to go to be competitive, and tonight we're going to try to turn it up to see what the Pontiac motor will go and how fast it will go on 275.
Right. All right, let them know where they can find you, how you can be contacted.
Facebook, Michael Kurt Button. That's my advertising.
All right, and I got it below y'all on the screen right now, so make sure to add him and check him out. He nothing but the truth. Tommy, we're going to see you next run.
Yes, sir. We're going to do it about dark.
Keep on me, man, motoring.
So, quick question.
Yeah.
Can you explain to the viewers what you're pouring in there for the people that don't know?
Pure methanol.
All right, y'all. Try to keep y'all informed.
We don't want to mix up and put the generator gas in there or nothing, you know what I mean?
Most definitely.
That's right.
Most definitely. Don't want to make that mistake. Y'all see this, the crew, they getting everything situated. Y'all know we like to highlight the whole team too, so it take a team effort. So a lot of work. A lot of work going to these cars.
I'll get it marked.
And this is right after the run, so y'all see the preparation that go into this stuff, so it's non-stop.
They just all hand spray the right lane. They go hand spray the right lane for you.
Reach over a bit.
There you go.
And when you grab the bottom on that side, put headlight pocket, center of the fender. Go forward a little.
See, as y'all can see, he just got back. It's a team effort. Like, that's why I like to record all this. I like to highlight the team so y'all can see all the work that go into it. Like, this is like immediately after getting back. So, you know, there's a lot of hands go into an operation like this, any racing operation. So, okay, y'all, we're back with Tommy. He just finished his second pass.
Yes.
So I saw the first time he hit the tire. I mean, what was going through your head, and I mean, what you think?
I was thinking this ain't gonna be good, you know, and with a turbo car getting up on the boost like we do, you know, it puts a lot of heat in the transmission. So we're gonna try again real quick, you know, and if it don't go, then we just have to go down the track and come back, cool it down again. But we backed up, moved over a little bit, got to a little bit of a groove, and it took it that time, and it went down, and it made a good pass. Made a good pass.
All right, so you said y'all making one more?
Yeah, we're gonna try to make one more night, you know, and we'll see how everything goes. After 2 passes, we do a little bit more work to the car, you know. We fix to put it up on the Pro Jacks and service a little bit more stuff, you know, and cool everything down, and then we'll see where we're at and what the racetrack does. If they let us make another pass, we're gonna try to make another pass and turn it up some more.
All right, y'all, we're gonna check back in with him after third. All right, look, Tommy just said he gotta get ready to pack the chutes too. This something else. This something else that go into a car like this, so y'all know, you know, when you're deploying the parachutes, and you got to as a safety man, especially when you're going fast and they going, and you know, you gotta lay it all out. You gotta stretch it out right here, then roll it back up. You know, I'm just telling this information for people that don't know. So that's another thing Tommy about to do. So, you know, like I said, it's a lot of work going to it. So we're gonna check back in, try to catch his third pass.